Hi there. Do you love pizza? Oh, I love pizza. I'll never stop eating pizza. But I'm gonna make a 3-ingredient pizza chicken meatball. Come on, I'll show you how it's done. Come on, let's go. Hey there, I'm gonna make a 3-ingredient chicken pizza meatball. 16 ounces of ground chicken. Whatever kind of breadcrumb you like. But the key ingredient is this. This right here. As in there, Parmesan cheese, skim milk, cheese cultured, salt, enzymes, garlic, onions, spices, crushed chilies. This here tastes like a party in your mouth. I've been using this seasoning for decades. Yes, decades. I know I don't look old enough, right? Right? Okay. So, get out your bowl. I'm gonna get some gloves on. Hold on a second. Some breadcrumbs. Like a cup. Measure with your heart. Put this in there. 2 tablespoons. And then mix that all up. And then I'm going to put in my chicken. I got a couple of visitors here. And then I'm going to just mix it up. With chicken, I find that I don't need to use an egg to hold them together. Okay, we have our meatballs all rolled out. Now I'm gonna put them in a 375-degree preheated oven for 30 minutes. I'll let you know what they look like in 30 minutes. You can dip them in red sauce. Bye.